Hey guys, we often get told by our customers how great our welding is, so I thought I'd just shoot out and just a bit of some of the welding on our gear. You can see there just the beautiful welding. There's a couple of chainless mainframes come through here and a couple of here's a chassis just straight out of the factory here. Beautiful quality welding, and I'll take you through the factory just for a quick look. So we'll just slide through here. Those who see all that prefabricated gear that we had outside there, more beautiful welds, comes into our sandblasting booth like this. Raw material pops into here. See some of the gear coming through our finishing facility here. Comes out the other side of our sandblasting booth. You can see all our standard procedures up on the wall there, just to ensure that the quality is up to the Hustler DNA standard. Comes out of this booth here. On these racks, you can see these mud guards here. They're all sandblasted down to a complete white, fully white sandblasted finish there. And that's how we get the key, get our powder coating to key in properly onto the material so that it's not peeling off, scratching off. Have a look at those welds there. Beautiful welds all the way down there. So full white blast. Then it comes into this space here where it gets the powder sprayed on, and out you go here. So you have a look at this catcher unit here. Fair clearance. So have a look at these welds here. That's right ready to go into our oven, which is just over here. Freshly sprayed by clearance. So once it comes out of this powder coating oven here, she comes out this side through these doors here and into our staging area where all the components are staged ready for assembly. So these axles here, once again, check those welds, beautiful. These axles are wet painted, so that means that we're not overheating the actual bearings and seals in the axle. Everything else is powder coated. See the beautiful welds there, all silicone sealed between the welds so that you're not getting moisture creep into the hollow cavities. Once again, check them out, and then through straight onto the assembly line here. So this is a 148 Combi RX. Check them out. How's it going? Good. Cheers. Hey Danny. So once again, beautiful welds. You can see the finish there on the machine. And another easy feed, just getting the final touches on for the team here. So machines coming out of the factory here. You see some sprayers and bale feeders getting made as well. And then come out here into our holding yard, which is ready for dispatch. So these machines will go all over the world from our beautiful team here. And as you can see, there's a Load Max, the new TX114 Series 2 there. There's a couple of 108s, 130, and a couple of RX 178s. Popular machine, that one. And yeah, they shoot out this gateway here and off to their happy customers, all with a 5-year warranty backed by Hustler's great after sales support